Following the diagram, bring the needle up at point 1. Go down at 2. Come up at 3. Go down at 4. Come up at 5. Go down at 6. Come up at 7. Go down at 8. Come up at 9. Go down at 10. Come up at 11. Go down at 12. Come up at 13. Go down at 14. Come up at 15. Go down at 16. Come up at 17. Go down at 18. Come up at 19. Go down at 20. Come up at 21. Go down at 22. Come up at 23. Go down at 24. Come up at 25. Go down at 26. Come up at 27. Go down at 28. Come up at 29. Go down at 30. Come up at 31. Go down at 32. Come up at 33. Go down at 34. Come up at 35. Go down at 36. Come up at 37. Go down at 38. Come up at 39. Go down at 40. Come up at 41. Go down at 42. Come up at 43. Go down at 44. Come up at 45. Go down at 46. Come up at 47. Go down at 48. Come up at 49. Go down at 50. Come up at 51. Go down at 52. Come up at 53. Go down at 54. Come up at 55. Go down at 56. Come up at 57. Go down at 58. Come up at 59. Go down at 60. Come up at 61. Go down at 62. Come up at 63. Go down at 64. Come up at 65. Go down at 66. Come up at 67. Go down at 68. Come up at 69. Go down at 70. Come up at 71. Go down at 72. Come up at 73. Go down at 74. Come up at 75. Go down at 76. Come up at 77. Go down at 78. Come up at 79. Go down at 80. Come up at 81. Go down at 82. Come up at 83. Go down at 84. Come up at 85. Go down at 86. Come up at 87. Go down at 88. Following the points in the diagram on the right, work the straight stitches.